Good morning YouTube. As requested, I will post my what I eat in a day video, so listen to that video, and if you have any question, write them down below.
I'm so in love with you. I'm so in love with you. Love is dead. I'm so in love with you. I'm so in love you.
So this is for before the gym, preset. This is for during, BCAA, Keto-Ice, Insul-x. And after, Whey ISO, Glutamine, and Glycine.
I'm so in love with you. Cleaning
No! Yeah! Ridiculous. So Mark is testing my pumped up pancakes, but I cannot eat it since I'm in prep. So I'm just gonna cry. Je pense que c'est fait pour faire des petites crêpes, pas des grosses.
Mark's gonna go get a new car tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, my best friend, Mark.
Ooh, maple syrup.
No calories.
Je peux goûter. Je vais voir dans mon bouche.
Ça dans ma bouche. T'es prêt?
Oh mon dieu, c'est gros ça. C'est tellement chaud. It burned my face. Can I taste for real now? For real. Really good. Really good. Really good pancake. Look at my face.